All right, here is my Galindo pit slash smoker slash pit. Got it from my boy out in Channel View. Wanted to do a little overview. This is my third time cooking on it. First time just cooked chicken, went wonderful. Second time cooked for about 400 or 500 people at a book signing for Kevin Bledsoe. Went perfect. But I wanted to show y'all a few things on here. I designed this and he made it come true. So what happened was I noticed a lot of hog boxes and everything else. This was deep down in there. And I didn't want it deep down in there because I wanted to be able to slide the hog off, flip it, and turn it back on. So what I did was I asked him to make this deep instead of it being deep down there. And he did that for me. I also asked him to make at the bottom of here flush to be able to shovel in and out easier. I think I might be making some shelves or something to slide in and out of there. So there's one underneath this one and it just goes over there. That one goes over there. But I asked him to make me bars so I can hang sausage on here too. So we did that. And as you can tell here, you know, we got this open and close, lock. And then we got two vents on the side. There's one, the other one's on the other side. We got the back part of it. And then the counterweight. It's still a little heavy, but it's well worth everything in how I designed it and he put it together. So there it is. If any of you would like one, send me a message and I'll talk to my boy. We'll see what we can do for you. Later.